All right, let's write another discussion essay. This one is also from IELTS Academic 13. As usual, we need to understand the statement and the instruction. Some people say history is one of the most important school subjects. Other people think that in today's world, subjects like science and technology are more important than history. So the topic is about history, and we have two views here. One, that's one of the most important subjects. And two, science and technology are more important. So we need to discuss both these views and give our opinion. Discuss here means you should say why those people in view one hold that view and why the other group have the second view. You need to justify that and provide some reasons for each view and say whether you agree with view one, view two, or totally have a different view. It's your choice. Now it's time to decide. For view one, history is very important because students can learn from the past, and also it helps them to protect their culture and their identity. For view two, science and technology are also very important because these subjects help students to create necessary tools for today's world, and also they will learn essential life skills that can help them to solve problems. Now, my view, I think both are important. Now it's time to write. As usual, the first thing to write is the paraphrase. This is my paraphrase. History as a school subject is regarded as one of the most essential components of an academic curriculum. However, there is a growing belief that subjects like science and technology take precedence over history. Is regarded as means is thought of as or seen as essential, very important, or necessary. Components, parts, or pieces that make up something. Curriculum, all the lessons and activities in school. Growing, becoming bigger or more common. Take precedence over or more important than. So this is my paraphrase. In order to complete my introduction, I'll answer the question briefly. In my view, both subjects are invaluable, and striking a balance between them is crucial for a well-rounded education. Invaluable, extremely useful, or valuable or important. Striking a balance, finding a middle ground. Well-rounded, including knowledge and skills in many areas. So in my first body paragraph, I will discuss view one. In the second one, I'll discuss view two. And in my conclusion, I will summarize all the main points and will restate my opinion. Now, for view one, I said they will learn from the past. Studying history allows students to delve into the narratives of earlier civilizations, societies, and cultures. Explore or look deeply into something. A narrative is a story about the past. Now I need to explain what I mean by that. It grants them access to the stories of people who lived before us and the challenges they faced. Grant, give, or allow something to happen. So what is the result of that? By examining these historical accounts, students can profoundly understand human experiences throughout time. Account, a description of something that happened. Now the second one, I said protect their culture or preserve their culture. Furthermore, history plays a critical role in preserving cultural heritage and traditions. Critical, very important, or necessary. Preserve means to protect or save something. Now I need to explain that. It enables students to connect with their cultural backgrounds and the global tapestry of human civilization. Tapestry, something that is made of many different parts. Now, what is the result of that? As a result, they can foster a sense of identity and cultural appreciation by learning about their culture and others. Foster helps something grow. Appreciation, recognizing and liking something. So that's my first body paragraph. Now the second one, I'm going to discuss the second view. So the first point I said create necessary tools. On the other hand, so I use on the other hand because I want to discuss the other side. Science and technology are the driving forces behind the technological advancements that have revolutionized our world. A driving force is something that causes change or progress. Advancement, the development or improvement of something. Revolutionize, make a big change or improvement in something. Now I need to explain what I mean by that. From the development of life-saving medical procedures to the creation of digital communication tools, the influence of these subjects is ever-present. Ever-present means always there or always happening. Now the second one, learn essential life skills. Moreover, These subjects equip students with essential problem-solving skills that foster curiosity, experimentation, and an understanding of the world. Equip, provide, or give the necessary tools. Now, what is the result of that? Therefore, students will be able to apply their scientific knowledge to create practical solutions. Apply, use, or put something into action. Now it's time to conclude. I'll start with in conclusion, then I will restate my opinion, and finally, I will summarize the main points. In conclusion, I think there are many compelling reasons to incorporate history, science, and technology into the curriculum. Both subjects are valuable in their own right, contributing distinct benefits to a comprehensive education. That's my view. Compelling reasons, strong reasons, incorporate into, include as part of something, valuable, something that is important, contribute, give, help, or add to something, distinct, different, or unique, and comprehensive, covering many different aspects or subjects. Now, the points about history and science and technology. History offers students profound insights into the past, nurturing cultural connections and a sense of identity. Profound, very deep, or having a strong effect. Insight, a deep understanding or idea. Nurture, help someone or something grow or develop. Now, the second part. Meanwhile, science and technology fuel innovation and provide students with indispensable life skills. Indispensable, extremely important, or necessary. So I wrote 283 words for this essay, and I organized it in 4 paragraphs. In my introduction, I simply paraphrased and answered the question. In my first body paragraph, I discussed view 1. In the second one, I discussed view 2. And in my conclusion, I'll summarize all the main points and restated my view. In this slide, you can find some of the points that gave cohesion to my writing. You could pause, take a screenshot, and have a read. And in the next 4 slides, you'll find some of the words and phrases from my essay that you could also use in yours. All right, hope you found it useful. Have a nice day.